Hey there. This is the second lesson, the second homework assignment for the week of May 11th. It's all about strong acids and strong bases, and weak acids and weak bases. I'm going to do the odd numbered problems as usual. Number 1, a strong base. So we have to figure out which one of these is the descriptor for a strong base. Bases give off hydroxide ions, and they give off lots of them. So what we're looking for is a definition that goes with this. Well, these two talk about hydrogen ions, so that can't be it. So it's either B or C. Sorry. Substances which dissociate completely, releasing many hydroxide ions in solution. So that is definitely the definition for strong base. Number 3, a strong acid. So a strong acid is going to be one of these two, either A or D, because it's giving off hydrogen ions. Strong acids, when they dissociate, they give off lots of them. So let's find that one. So letter A says substance which dissociates completely, releasing many hydrogen ions. So that is the definition because it produces a lot of H+ ions. Number 5. A weak acid is one that will partially dissociate. That means it'll only come apart a little bit, and it's only going to produce a few hydrogen ions. So let's see, it's not that, and not completely, so we're going to take those off. Partially with many ions, nope, so it's D. Produces few hydrogen ions. Number 7, which of the following will not become an electrolyte when dissolved in solution? Oh, that's 6. I'm doing 7. Sorry, my fault. Which of the following would not conduct electricity when dissolved in solution? Well, things that conduct electricity when they're dissolved in solution are acids, bases. Remember, acids have the hydrogen, bases have the hydroxide, and one other thing will conduct electricity in solution. It is what? Salts. Now, what is a salt? A salt is an ionic compound, and that means it has a metal and a nonmetal. So any of these will dissolve in water and make a solution that conducts electricity. So which one does not? Well, that's hydroxide. That is an ionic compound, a metal with a nonmetal, and that's an acid. NO2, nitrogen dioxide, is a covalent compound because it's made up of two nonmetals. Okay, that's the only one that will not conduct electricity when you dissolve it in solution. Alrighty, number 9. Here we have a solution of hydrochloric acid, and the bulb is fully illuminated. Over here we have a solution of acetic acid, and the bulb is very dimly illuminated. Kind of hard to see, but I think it's a good, fairly decent picture. Number 9, the picture above shows the difference in conductivity between two acids. Based on this information, the acetic acid, so it's this one over here, is an example of what? A weak electrolyte, a strong electrolyte, or a non-electrolyte? It is a weak electrolyte. Okay, it'll light up the bulb, just not very much. Strong electrolyte is one that would really, really light up that bulb, like hydrochloric acid, and a non-electrolyte would be something like the nitrogen dioxide in the other problem that wouldn't conduct electricity at all. So go ahead and finish up the rest of your problems, and have a good afternoon.